Good morning. Today is Friday, May 22nd, 2020. Please remember to watch and read all daily messages, complete your assignments, show or explain your reasoning where it says to, make sure you're turning in your work, and make sure you're checking in with me at least twice a week. Today's Friday, so it's your last chance to check in for Thursday, Friday attendance if you're in 7-1. If you're in one of the other 7th grade classes, please check in with your homeroom teacher. So today we're finishing lesson 12.1, which is probability. We're going to be finishing this today, and we're going to be starting a new lesson on Tuesday. No school on Monday, Memorial Day. How can you describe the likelihood of an event? Please make sure you watch the daily video. Watch the lesson 12.1 instructional videos. Remember, we didn't learn this in school. This is new material, so make sure you're watching those videos. It's very important. Complete the lesson 12.1 independent practice. Complete lesson 12.1 exit ticket. Turn in your work. Make sure you turn in your work either on Teams, through text, or email. I'll be online from 9 to 11 and 1 to 2 if you have any questions. Have a great day.